Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to a fascinating culinary journey. Today, we're exploring the intriguing world of coconut weevils, a highly regarded delicacy in many global cuisines. These small creatures are celebrated for their distinctive, slightly nutty taste, often compared to crispy bacon or even rich cheese. Beyond their unique flavor, coconut weevils also stand out as an incredibly sustainable and protein-rich food source, making them a smart choice for adventurous eaters. Before we get cooking, proper sourcing and preparation are key. Always acquire your coconut weevils from trusted, reputable suppliers to ensure they are safe for consumption. Once you have them, it's important to give them a thorough wash. Gently rinse the weevils under cool, clean running water, making sure to remove any clinging dirt or debris. This crucial step prepares them perfectly for your culinary adventure. One of the simplest and most popular ways to prepare coconut weevils is by frying them. This method truly highlights their delightful texture, turning them wonderfully crispy. Start by heating a small amount of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over a medium flame. Once hot, add your cleaned weevils, stirring occasionally, and cook them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and achieve that irresistible crunch. For a different culinary experience, consider grilling or roasting your coconut weevils. Grilling imparts a lovely smoky note and can give them a slightly chewier, yet still satisfying texture. Alternatively, roasting them in an oven offers a more even cook with minimal oil, creating a healthier option. Whichever method you choose, a simple seasoning of salt and pepper, or perhaps a dash of your favorite spices, will enhance their natural taste beautifully. Once cooked, your coconut weevils are ready to enjoy. They make an incredibly unique and flavorful snack, perfect for serving as an adventurous appetizer. You can also incorporate them into other dishes, perhaps tossed into a vibrant stir-fry for added protein, or sprinkled over a fresh salad for a surprising crunch. So go ahead, embrace this truly extraordinary culinary experience, and savor the distinct taste of perfectly prepared coconut weevils.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.